1 second. I can tell the panels apart.
You can tell?
I used to make glass for over 30 years.
Play these games before!
Each player must use exactly 1 spray of deodorant.
No, not like this!
No players survived the last round.
I believe in you. I will follow you. No matter what happens, Shaman.
I will too. This is the way out.
Shit. Oh, come on, for fuck's sake. Where the hell's the exit?